Consider yourself at home. Consider yourself.
We're here today to shoot publicity photos for the show, and it's the first day we've all been in our costumes, wigs, makeup, and it's all very exciting.
We have to wear this massive kind of coat, and it's got pockets in, so we can just stash our goods.
One there, put a couple of wallets in there.
There's a lot of holes. We're looking a bit rough.
I'm a very, very talented burglar and a very, very talented murderer. Nobody messes with me. I've got the thigh bone of a Tyrannosaurus Rex, which I think is entirely appropriate.
I am just so insanely excited to be a part of Oliver. It's just such a classic musical. Amazing characters, amazing songs, and it's just a special show. I feel very lucky to be doing it. It's not been your normal photo shoot. People always say don't work with children or animals, but of course there are both in the show.
I've never done this photo shoots before, so it's the first time. It's really cool.
Please, sir, we want some more.
We've been working really hard, haven't we?
Yeah.
On this tour we start in Cardiff, open in a couple of weeks, and then we do Southampton, Birmingham, Manchester, Edinburgh, Norwich. Loads of brilliant venues.
Some people can't come down to London and see it, but now people in Wales can watch it, people in Scotland can watch it.
We've got 2 more weeks that we're sort of all itching. We've all booked our digs. I've been on the phone to my family and friends every night. I'm like, oh, I can't wait for you to see it.
To be part of this is a real treat. It really is. And I would say that if you're going to see a musical, and if you've never been to a musical before, come and see Oliver.
Wonderful food, marvellous food, fabulous food, beautiful food.
I definitely think it's going to be a great hit because it's a family show. It's a good story. It's emotional. You'll laugh, you'll cry. It's fantastic.
It's going to be an emotional thing.
It will be.